Oh, great. We have a lot of people. One of my crew outside was not transferred this week. Okay, how do you crew lock back? Yeah. You see it? Yeah, we see it.
You wouldn't believe the premium on my life insurance policy. Even a paint chip would take off my arm.
This is Mission Control Houston. Spacewalkers outside the International Space Station reporting that one of their tool bags being prepared for use with the Solar Alpha rotary joint cleaning has drifted off away from the space station. EVA flight controllers and flight directors assessing what this means for the rest of the EVA.
The Wi-Fi is adjustable. I'm back on the 1106, getting ready to form a pepper swamp.
Well, here we are in the West Sussex countryside. It's pitch black, as you can probably see, and we're going to try and spot the flying toolkit dropped out of the International Space Station. I have my trusty telescope to be able to spot it, so let's just have a look up into the sky. And there it is, look at that piece of cake. Wow, I never knew you could spot so many things in the night sky. I don't think this is fooling anybody, Warren. If we want to do this properly, we need one of these. Sure that we know that the thing that's on the video is in fact the toolbox and not something else, or something spurious. Well, we do know the orbit very precisely and the time exactly within a second or two, or less in fact, of where it would be at any moment of time in the sky. So the astronomer who took that image, he was there pointing his telescope at precisely the right place at precisely the right time. So it couldn't have been anything else. So that's how we know. Ian and his fancy telescopes, who needs one of those?